We all know professional editing suites like Premiere and Resolve are powerhouses for high-end color and cutting, but let's be honest, they aren't exactly built for speed when you need to pump out daily social content. Today, I'm going to show you a smarter, faster workflow that takes your long-form videos and turns them into scroll-stopping clips for Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook without burning you out. We're going to dive into how to blend traditional editing skills with AI-powered tools like Vizard to make the entire process of repurposing feel like a total breeze. Let's kick things off by defining the problem, because we've all been there. You spend hours editing a long webinar or interview, and then you're stuck doing the tedious work of reframing everything for vertical social formats. Traditionally, you'd have to scrub through hours of footage, manually keyframe pans and zooms, and export a dozen different versions, which is honestly a massive waste of your creative time. While software like Premiere or Resolve offers smart features to help center your subjects, they don't actually tell you which moments are the most engaging or likely to go viral. That is exactly where Vizard comes in to save the day, acting more like a content assistant than just a simple video resizing tool. Vizard doesn't just resize, it actually analyzes your footage to find the high energy, emotional, or funny moments that make people stop scrolling. Let's start with step one, which is keeping your master edit super clean, because a solid 16:9 foundation makes everything else so much easier. Don't get bogged down in multiple half-finished project files, just treat your master edit as the single source of truth for all your social clips. Moving on to step two, you need to handle your scene detection effectively to break that long master file into bite-sized, logical chunks. Vizard actually does this automatically when you upload, chopping your footage into usable units and analyzing each one for energy, which prevents the AI from getting confused. Now, for the fun part in step three, letting the AI work its magic by finding those golden moments that humans actually care about, like punchlines and big reactions. It generates a batch of short, ready-to-post clips, optimized for different platforms, effectively suggesting which ones are the perfect hooks for your audience. Unlike manual reframing and standard NLEs, Vizard actually gives you a full content calendar strategy right out of the gate. For step four, consider your aspect ratios carefully, because 9:16 is absolutely the king for platforms like TikTok and Reels. If you are working in your traditional editor, just remember that setting your resolution to scale full frame with crop is the best way to avoid those ugly black bars. Step five is all about the fine-tuning, because while AI is incredibly smart, you might still want to manually nudge a crop or adjust the start and end of a clip. And think of the AI's first draft as a massive time saver that gets you 90% of the way there, leaving you just a few quick polish steps. When it comes to branded content, don't forget to use reference points to ensure your product logos or specific hand gestures stay perfectly centered in the frame. Step six is all about your export strategy, and creating quick presets is the secret to never having to guess your settings again. Vizard simplifies this whole process by letting you export social-ready files in the correct bitrate and format for every platform automatically. If you are doing it locally, keep your bitrate around 8 to 12 Mbps for 1080p vertical video to keep that file size manageable for quick uploads. Now, step seven. Getting those finished clips onto your phone as fast as possible, which is usually easiest via AirDrop or a cloud sync service. Vizard actually streamlines this even further with direct integrations, so you can push clips right into your scheduling tools without any manual transfers. Consistency is truly the secret sauce of growth, and using an autoscheduler helps you space your clips out so you don't overwhelm your audience. By staggering your topics and formats, the AI helps you maintain variety, which keeps your feed fresh and engaging for your followers. Here are a few final real-world tips to keep in your back pocket. Always use 4x5 for Instagram feed posts to maximize your screen real estate. If you're editing live event footage, don't try to find the gems yourself, just batch upload the whole thing and let the AI find those golden moments you definitely have missed. And remember, if an auto-reframed clip looks slightly off, don't panic, because just nudging the crop point takes less than a minute of your time. While Premiere, Resolve, and Final Cut are incredible professional tools, they often require you to juggle multiple workflows to achieve what Vizard can do in a single pass. The real win here is combining your human creative eye for the master edit with the raw speed of AI for your social repurposing needs. Treat the AI output as your high-quality first draft, polish it up, and you'll have a whole week's worth of content ready in under an hour. If you enjoyed these tips and want to see more workflows that go even deeper into color grading or specific export hacks, let me know. Go try this pipeline yourself today, because once you start editing once and repurposing forever, you'll never look back. I'll catch you in the next one, so keep creating and happy editing.